Today I'm going to show you how to play E major. Similar to yesterday's chord of E minor. So you place your second finger on the second fret of the fifth string, place your third finger underneath on the second fret of the fourth string. Then you add your first finger to the first fret of the third string, and you get something like this. Play one string at a time to ensure clarity. Bring this in for a closer look here. So you've got your second finger, your third finger, and your first finger. Keep your thumb hanging out on top here, not over, just on top. Again. That's E major. E minor, you just take your first finger off. E major, add your first finger. Cool. If you find these videos helpful and informative, you can show your appreciation by leaving a comment in the comment section or giving me an upvote. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And any requests, leave them in the comments. Thanks.